bahay. Hanap mo bahay, affordable single attached unit na mabilis lipatan at along highway lang? Check out this property dito mismo sa San Pablo, Laguna.
Hanap mo ba yung affordable single attached unit along highway at mabilis lipatan? Check out this property here in San Pablo, Laguna for only 18K monthly down payment. Magkakaroon ka ng 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath with carport. At 6 to 8 months lang pwede mo na agad lipatan. Tara na, silipin natin yung property.